Yo, hey, what's up people? Almas here guys, and welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. And if you're new guys, make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel guys. Today guys, I'm in Nairobi River, and this is our boys doing cleaning here guys. You can see how they are working, men at work guys. They are doing cleaning the river. You can see how the river is now clean. This is how Nairobi River looks like right now. So climate works, they are doing a good job guys. Kazi kwa vijana. They are working a good job guys. They are cleaning the river. You can see how the river is flowing now. It's so clean guys. So climate works, thank you for the good job.